The law that changed women's rights. Oh, come on, sit there straight. There you go. The law that changed women's rights. The equality that changed everything. When remembering became an act of preservation. Some things disappeared suddenly. Others disappeared because nobody remembered they existed. That's how boundaries are often lost. Not through force, through forgetting. I'm going to examine how, for many biological women, preserving the purpose of female-only boundaries became a cultural responsibility. The debate shifted from changing the law to remembering why those boundaries had been established in the first place. Every generation inherits more than buildings. It inherits memory. And for decades, many female-only spaces required little explanation. Their purpose was understood. Privacy, safety, dignity, biology, vulnerability. They were ordinary, almost invisible. And only when those boundaries became contested did many people begin asking why they had existed at all. And for biological women, this created an unexpected responsibility, not merely to defend a boundary, but to explain it. Conversations that had once been unnecessary now happened around dinner, at the dinner table. Parents spoke with daughters, grandmothers shared experiences, teachers navigated difficult questions, community leaders searched for common ground. The discussion gradually became cultural rather than simply legal. Many women believed the greatest loss would not be a single policy, it would be collective forgetfulness. Because when a society forgets why protection existed, removing it begins to appear reasonable. Memory became stewardship, not hostility, not exclusion, stewardship. The law remained, institutions continued operating within it, but biological women increasingly understood that legislation alone could not preserve a culture. Only people could. And the future would therefore depend upon whether the reasons behind female boundaries continued to be remembered, understood, and thoughtfully discussed. The first boundary a civilization loses is rarely physical. It is the memory of why the boundary existed. It is the memory of why the boundary existed.